Howdy guys, on this episode of Green Tea Time, we are getting crafty. Take a big, deep breath. Today, we are working with air plants. Get it? Dad joke central. Anyway, hanging air plant home accent piece. Super simple, super easy, and also very, very, very budget friendly. All you need is twine, scissors, and an air. You can even do one air plant if you want. You don't have to do 3, you don't have to do 10. You could do one. Total like what, $6? So look out, Loretta. We got the home accent piece coming through. We're going to cut your twine to however long you want your hanging piece to be. You're going to tie it loosely to the base of your air plant. Alrighty guys, voila! You got a hanging air plant arrangement. I'm Tyler Banken. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time on Green Tea Time.